Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna continue with this game. ReStory. I believe we are gonna open our store. Ooh, what we got here? We gotta keep repairing stuff. Okay, we can take this order. Just clean. What is this? Oh, this for... Oh, this... Okay, I have to fix this guy. Let me see what else I can buy from this. What else they have that I can buy and then just fix it? 2 stars. I don't know about that. 1 star. Yokes. What else can we get? Buy these ones. 60k. That's crazy. Okay, I guess let's fix this. Wow, look at that. We got the speedy drill. So fast. And we got this dust cleaner. Perfect. So chill. Oh, so dirty. I think we have to, or we're trying to save. That's everything. Perfect. I think I want to save some money just to buy more upgrades. Either get, okay, this for this guy. Either get a new license, so I can fix or repair or clean these ones as well. Right now, yeah, not too. Okay, what else? That's it. Oh, this thing. Okay. Oh, it's broken. No way. Broken. Okay, take this out. It's all my. I think it's pretty much done. Away. Okay, I have to buy stuff now. What is this? Motorola? Okay. Keyboard. Display unit. Front panel. Keyboard cover. I don't have enough for that. Oh no. Do we have to sell these ones, I guess? Maybe we should just sell everything. Ooh. Should I just sell these? Like, there are no jobs. Okay, I finished this already. Hello? There's really nothing for me to... They're all 1 stars or 2 stars, so I don't know. Let's try that. D8. I hope there's gonna be a new like storyline or something. Yes. Wait. Thank you. Just give me that. What is this? Oh. For real? Alright, let's fix this. Front, right? Let's see here. Okay, just cleaning. Pretty good. I mean, I think I have to buy another one. It's gonna run out soon. Here we go. Perfect. Wait, is this one? Okay. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Some money. Nice. There we go. We'll just get this. Then we get this. Let's see. With other things though. Ooh, look at that. For sale. Oh, that's pretty good. And then we can do this one. Let's buy it. Okay. Are there any other storylines? Okay, we have to buy new parts. No. No. I don't have money for this. Okay, let me. Okay, maybe I don't. Oh my god, I still also have to buy parts for this. No way. No way. I think it's broken, bro. Yeah, I actually have to sell some stuff, like for real. Let's see if I can buy this one. Okay, display. Oh my god, it's 4K already? Alright, I'm just gonna sell everything. I don't want to keep these anymore. Oh my. Just give me money. Yep. Okay, there we go. I was keeping them just for reference on how much they actually cost. So I can determine whether or not I want to buy it from the marketplace or not. Speaker, back panel, battery, and then that's it. Yeah, let's get that. Okay. Oh. Isn't that done? Oh. This is say perfect. Wait. There's something wrong with it? I don't think so. Is there something missing, or I'm just... Okay, there we go. What? Sell that. Look at this one now. Okay, let's buy parts. Parts. I'm missing keyboard, display, front panel, keyboard cover, the housing, circuit board, speaker, back panel, and the battery. It's so expensive. What the fuck? Is it even worth? I actually don't know. Alright, let's see. not sure if it's gonna work, but come on. Thank you. So. Hey, let's get this now. I'm missing 2 switches. Back screen. Slot. Back panel. Okay. Let's see. Come on. That should be everything, right? Back. This thing. 2, 3. This. Cables. Thank you. Here we go. That's everything. Bro. Sell it. Thank you. Now. Buy with 78k, damn. All 1 stars. Oh, this one's good. 4 stars. Now I have to buy this one. Now I also have to buy this. PlayStation, play machine, not. Let's do that. Let's do it. Oh, nice. Okay. Now we can buy that. Netflix or buy. 11k, holy. Okay, let's try this. Oh my. Oh, the cover's broken. I'm seeing it already. Not? It's not broken. Okay. Wait, that's it? Really? Okay. That was quite easy. Can I start buying the thing now? Wow. Ooh. Oh, really? That's it? Come on, give me the Nani PlayStation or whatever. I wanna try fixing that. Let's do it. There's something. Yes. Auto roll again, bro. Another. Bruh. Oh. What's that? Do that. 3. 14. Nice. Okay. That's everything, I believe. And then here's this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, next. This thing, right? Okay. Let's do it. Okay, this. Same thing, same thing. Oh, I'm gonna clean that. Okay, cool. Nice. Gotta clean this as well. Awesome. I think that's done. It's done. This. Here we go. Okay, it's also done. Come on, keep going. 2 more jobs. Oh. Anything else on it? Okay, this one's pretty much done. Luck. Let's do that. Let's just do that. Give me that. Wow. Oh, give me that. Okay, sell them? Oh, okay. Interesting. 600. Okay, well. Airbrush is 6. Well, okay, I'm done with these. I just have 2 more that I can buy for the certificates, but they're super expensive. Here, I think I can buy. Oh, one seems pretty good. Okay, let me fix that. It's broken. No way. Bro. It's broken. Does that work? I don't even know. Frames, play unit, front panel, and keep cover. housing. Wait. Support. Speaker. Back panel. Let's buy everything. I have no money left. Like, I don't know what's that even worth. Like, wait. Okay. Was that really worth? I don't know. I actually don't know. But okay. Because I have to buy parts as well. Are we done? There's no more jobs? That's it? Hello? Where's my naughty PlayStation? This one. Because I can play machine, I mean. I wanna fix that. I think I can fix that. Okay, well, I didn't get to build any naughty play machine, but alright. I think I made some profits. And I buy a new license for the naughty place machine. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See you.